11 years ago, I started my journey into entrepreneurship. I didn't start because I wanted a Lamborghini. I didn't start because I saw someone on social media, promote an opportunity to be an entrepreneur. I didn't start because I wanted a lifestyle, a luxury lifestyle. I started because 11 years ago, here in San Diego, I was effectively homeless. I had no other choice. There was no job that would hire a 14-year-old to earn money. I had to figure something out. I started entrepreneurship because it was a must. It was a must for me to earn money to survive. And my business back then wasn't a coach. I wasn't trying to sell someone marketing services. I created a clothing company, Elite Kings Clothing. Google that shit. Google that shit. I created a clothing company because that was accessible for me. And that was one of the ways where I could generate money based off my community, my peers at school, people that knew me, and leveraging social media. I was one of the first e-commerce companies that leveraged social media. So if you're watching this video and you're deciding like, I want to be an entrepreneur because I want to drive Teslas. I want to drive, fancy Audis and live in a big house. That's not behind me. That's the wrong reasons, man. Like, know what your why is, what your drive is. Like, if you want to be an entrepreneur, why? Why do you want to make money? Why do you want to have a business? Why do you want to sell things to people? And your why may be, I want to be from broke and working a job to having a better lifestyle. Okay, dive more into that. Because when you fail in business, when things go wrong, you have to associate your why to keep you going. Your why is your fuel. And that's important. Now, the second important thing if you want to be in business is you want to know your how. How are you going to build a company? How are you going to drive sales? How are you going to create products? How are you going to market online? Because your how is your GPS. Your why is your gas to your vehicle. Your how is your GPS. And so many new entrepreneurs don't get this. They only understand the why, and that's okay. If you've been in business long enough, you're going to understand that being in business and being successful in business is two different things. And success in business is when you maximize your how and you understand your why. When things go wrong, you associate your why to keep you going. And when things go right, it's because you're exhausting, you're maximizing your how. The how is the strategy. The how is the steps you're taking. So if you're watching this video and you want to become an entrepreneur, know your why and maximize your how. Let's make this happen, man. 2020 is your year. I'm out here in the freaking rain. I'm out here in the rain creating a freaking YouTube video because I know my why and I'm maximizing my how. Take action. Don't give up even in rainy days. Make a decision. The rainy days will come. Go through these rainy days. And I'll see you in 2020.